All right, let's talk about one of the most stubborn issues in skincare, dark circles. We're going to create a super clear roadmap, a step-by-step guide to actually understanding and treating them based on what dermatologists know really gets results.
I bet this sounds familiar. You spend money on some eye cream that promises the world, you use it every single day, and nothing. It is so incredibly frustrating, and it makes you wonder, why don't these things ever seem to work?
And this, right here, is the light bulb moment. The secret isn't finding some single magic cream. Nope, it's all about figuring out why you have dark circles in the first place, and then, and only then, matching the right solution to that specific cause.
Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing we have to wrap our heads around is that dark circles is just a catch-all phrase. It's not one thing. It's the appearance that can be caused by a bunch of totally different issues happening under the skin.
And here they are. For a lot of people, it's just genetics. You can thank your parents for that one. For others, it's actual brown pigment in the skin, maybe from sun damage or rubbing your eyes too much. Sometimes it's not pigment at all. It's just that the skin is so thin you can see the bluish blood vessels right through it. Of course, not drinking enough water can make things look worse, and aging, well, that brings fine lines that cast little shadows. And then there's the big one, structure. Just having deep-set eyes or losing a little volume right under your eye creates a hollow that a shadow naturally falls into.
So here's the cool part. You can actually do a little detective work on your own, right at home. Let's walk through how you can figure out what's likely causing your dark circles.
Okay, go find a mirror. First things first, what's the actual color? If it looks brownish, you're probably dealing with a pigment issue. But if it's more blue or purple, that's a pretty good sign it's just your blood vessels showing through. Next, stand under a bright light and tilt your chin down. Does the dark circle seem to disappear? If it does, that's a huge clue that you're looking at a shadow caused by a hollow, what doctors call a tear trough. And last, get close to the mirror. Is the skin a little crepey? Do you see fine lines? Because those can definitely create the illusion of darkness too.
Okay, so once you have an idea of the cause, you can start to map out a real plan of attack. This is all about picking the right tool for the job when you go see a professional.
So if your little test pointed towards that brownish discoloration, actual pigment, then these are your heavy hitters. Think of chemical peels as working on the surface. They exfoliate the top layer and help slow down that pigment production. Q-switch lasers, on the other hand, go deeper. They send a beam of light that basically shatters the pigment particles so your body can naturally get rid of them.
And this right here is probably the biggest mix-up. People will use a brightening cream trying to fix a shadow. It will literally never work. It's like trying to fix a dent in a car by painting over it. Treatments for pigment target the color of the skin. Treatments for hollowness, like fillers, target the structure under the skin. They are two completely separate problems that need two completely separate solutions.
And boom, this chart just lays it all out perfectly. It draws a straight line from the cause to the most effective fix. Got pigment? You're looking at peels and lasers. Got hollows or grooves? That's where fillers come in. Visible vessels? Some topicals with ingredients like vitamin K might help. And for those fine lines, you're in the world of retinols and resurfacing lasers. See? Simple.
Let's dig a little deeper now. For so many people, the real issue isn't the color of their skin at all. It's that hollow, sunken look that makes them seem tired all the time. So let's put the spotlight on the #1 solution for that, under-eye fillers. This is straight from the experts, and it's so telling. When the problem is that deep hollow or tear trough, fillers are considered the absolute gold standard. And the reason everyone loves them? The results are pretty much instant, and man can they be gratifying.
So what exactly is this stuff? It's basically a super smooth gel made of hyaluronic acid, which is something our bodies make naturally. A really skilled doctor injects it precisely where that volume has been lost. The best way to think about it is like they're building a tiny bit of scaffolding under the skin, just lifting it up so it's smooth and the shadow completely disappears.
So, how do you know if you're a good candidate? Well, let's run through this quick checklist. If you can actually see that groove or hollow under your eye, if you did the light test and know it's a shadow, if you're just sick of people telling you that you look tired, and if you've already tried every cream out there with zero luck, then it's a very, very good sign that fillers could be a total game changer for you.
Now hold on, before you run out and book an appointment, we have to talk about something that is incredibly important, and that's setting realistic expectations for what these treatments can actually do.
This is what so many of us walk in hoping for. We want our dark circles 100% gone, erased, like they were never there. But honestly, especially in an area as tricky as the under eye, that's just not a realistic goal.
So we have to reframe what success looks like. The real goal,
The true win is improvement. A fantastic result is when the area looks way brighter, way smoother, and you just look more rested. It's about getting a result that makes you happy and confident, not chasing some idea of perfection that can just lead to disappointment.
And this is where the real artistry comes in. The truth is, most people have more than one thing going on. You might have the hollows and a little bit of brown pigment. So a great dermatologist will come up with a custom plan. Maybe they'll use filler to handle the volume loss, and then come back with a very gentle laser to clean up any of that leftover pigment. That is smart, personalized treatment.
Look, the whole point of this was to empower you. By understanding what might be causing your dark circles and what treatments are out there for each specific cause, you're not just walking into a doctor's office blind anymore. You're an informed partner in your own skincare. So the real question is, are you ready to take what you've learned and have a totally different, much more productive conversation with a pro?